What is the ugly highlighter study method? And how will it save you time and effort when you're studying? This is a study technique that I picked up at university, and I go to the best university in the UK, according to the Times 2025. Because let's be realistic, we use highlighters to make our notes look nice and to highlight key information. And it's so helpful to use different highlighters to colour code things, to identify different subjects, or like when you're answering an exam question, different assessment objectives. But that ugly highlighter in the bottom of your pencil case that you don't like using, this is how you can put it to good use to actually improve your grades. When you're making notes in a class, there are inevitably terms, concepts, things that you're learning that you don't understand. So while you're writing your notes and your colour-coded things, getting everything organised and looking pretty, those things that you don't quite understand, highlight them in this ugly colour. For me, it's the fluorescent orange. I'm like, who would ever use that? But the beauty is, this is clearly identifiable amongst all of the other colours that you're using all of the time. So when you're going back through your notes, or when the teacher has stopped talking, you can ask questions about the things you don't understand, and you know what they are because they're highlighted in this ugly colour. So you're not flicking through your notes looking for little asterisks or little circles around words. But here comes the beauty of this study method. It encourages you to ask questions as you go along so that you don't have to destroy your pretty notes. Encouraging you to put your hand up in lessons. Because fundamentally, if there's a concept that you don't understand and the teacher just continues and skims over it, you might not understand the next thing that they're talking about. And because you really don't want to use this ugly highlighter, you are, whether it be subconsciously or consciously, more inclined to put your hand up in the class and ask a question. And trust me, I use this at university all the time and it actually works. So give it a go. If you like this video, then follow for more study tips.